Thinking about a career in welding? This guide covers your complete path from beginner to certified professional for 2026. The demand for skilled welders is significant. With a large portion of the current workforce nearing retirement, the American Welding Society projects a need for over 320,500 new welding professionals by 2029. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics expects about 45,600 openings each year for the next decade, primarily to replace these retiring workers. This isn't just a job. It's a critical trade that builds the backbone of our infrastructure, manufacturing, and energy sectors, offering strong career stability. There are three main paths to start your welding journey. The fastest route is a trade or technical school, which typically takes 6 to 18 months. A community college offers an associate degree in about 2 years, providing a broader educational foundation. The third option is a formal apprenticeship through a union, which is a 3 to 5 year program where you earn a salary while you learn on the job. Each path has its own timeline and cost, so you can choose the one that best fits your goals. The cornerstone of a professional welding career is the AWS Certified Welder, or CW, credential. This is a performance-based test, meaning what matters is your ability to lay down a quality weld. Impressively, there are no prior experience or education requirements to take a test. For 2026, the AWS application fee is just $70, with an annual $105 subscription to maintain your certification indefinitely. This makes it one of the most accessible and respected certifications in the skilled trades. Let's talk about earning potential. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics May 2024 data, the median annual wage for welders in the United States was $51,000. However, location plays a huge role in salary. The top-paying states offer significantly more, with Hawaii leading at a median annual wage of nearly $77,000, followed closely by Alaska at over $75,000. This shows that with the right skills in the right market, a welding career can be very lucrative. Once you're certified and have some experience, specialization is the key to maximizing your income. Pipeline welders who travel for oil and gas projects can earn over $150,000 with overtime. Aerospace welders perform high-precision TIG welding on critical components, commanding high salaries in clean, modern facilities. For the adventurous, underwater welders combine commercial diving with their trade for extremely hazardous but highly paid work on offshore platforms and ships. These advanced paths show the incredible growth potential within the field. A long-term career in welding isn't limited to working with the torch. After gaining at least 5 years of experience, you can advance to become an AWS Certified Welding Inspector, or CWI. This is the gold standard for quality assurance in the industry. As a CWI, you'll be responsible for interpreting blueprints, applying codes, and ensuring welds meet strict standards. This path offers a significant salary increase, with typical earnings ranging from $70,000 to $110,000 and a move into leadership. Your path to a rewarding welding career starts with the right knowledge. From understanding the different training routes and core processes to mastering the AWS certification exams, being prepared is key. Our full guide has all the details, including state-by-state salary data and links to official resources. Visit Open Exam Prep to access our 100% free study guides and practice questions to start your journey today. There's no credit card required, just the tools you need to succeed.